Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and sometimes chaotic world of economics and politics in 2025. From global inflation and energy transitions to Donald Trump's continued influence and conflicts reshaping our world, there's a lot to discuss. So let's get started. In 2025, the global economy presents a mixed picture. While some regions, like India and parts of Africa, are seeing strong growth, others are struggling with inflation, energy challenges, and rapid technological change. The U.S. economy remains resilient, but slower growth and lingering inflation continue to affect everyday Americans. Although inflation in the U.S. has cooled from early decade highs, rising costs in housing, healthcare, and food remain top concerns. These economic pressures are fueling major debates in Washington over interest rates, government spending, and corporate accountability. For millions, paychecks still don't stretch far enough, and this economic anxiety is now front and center in the lead-up to the next election. Donald Trump remains a dominant force in American politics. His policies and persona continue to shape Republican strategies and force Democrats to reevaluate how they connect with voters disillusioned by globalization and automation. Whether you support him or not, Trump's impact is undeniable. He's redefining political playbooks and reshaping America's position on trade, immigration, and international alliances. Energy remains at the heart of global politics. In 2025, renewables like solar and wind have hit record highs. Yet, oil and gas continue to play a critical role, especially in developing economies. These tensions are directly tied to climate policies, with many governments now introducing stricter carbon taxes and investing in green infrastructure. Meanwhile, global conflicts dominate headlines. The war in Ukraine has realigned European defense strategies, drawing NATO closer. Tensions in the South China Sea are escalating, raising concerns about a potential U.S.-China confrontation. And in the Middle East, energy-related conflicts continue to threaten global stability. These aren't just regional issues. They ripple across economies, markets, and food security worldwide. One of the defining trends of 2025 is the rise of AI-driven productivity. From healthcare to logistics, AI is transforming industries and forcing governments to rethink labor laws and tech regulations. We're also seeing a surge in digital diplomacy. Countries are now negotiating not just in traditional summits, but in virtual forums using AI translators and real-time data modeling. So, what does the future hold? Will we see more cooperation or more conflict? Will technology bring nations together or drive deeper divides?